Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shweta and today I'm gonna show you how to create this look right here. So a lot of time I get questions, how do you pull out, vibrant colored lipstick such as this neon pink or purple or, bright orange. So the trick is to wear a light colored blouse like this one, white or light pink, light orange, and also do your makeup very subtle, like keep eyeshadows light brown or light orange, use like very subtle blush. Without wasting any time, let's just begin. So I'm gonna start with the primer. I already moisturized my face. As you all know, I use Kiehl's moisturizer, and for primer I'm using this Pore Freshnel pore primer from Benefit. I try to find so many skincare products for my husband, but I always ended up with Kiehl's. So they do have like a everyday moisturizer or face cleanser or body wash for men, so I do purchase them for PU. So do take a look if you want to buy a skincare product for your husband or for your male friend. Kiehl's is very good brand. So once I apply my primer, I'm gonna use the priming water. So I use this Smashbox primer water. This is really refreshing and it keeps your face hydrated. I use this Hourglass foundation, which is light everywhere I need color correction. So under my eyes, so today I'm gonna use this foundation from Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade 330. As you all know, Fenty Beauty foundations are little oxidizing. So what oxidizing mean is when you apply foundation, it becomes a little darker after oxidization. So Fenty Beauty foundation is like that. So that's why I purchased one shade lighter. So once it is oxidized, it will become my perfect match. Pump. As this foundation, it seems very light coverage. This concealer from Urban Decay. This is all-nighter concealer in the shade medium neutral. I still use my old concealers such as Tarte or Tarte Shape Tape or NARS concealer, but I really like this Urban Decay concealer for day-to-day use. Price is comparable and also the coverage is full, so no complaint whatsoever. Concealer using this Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder in the shade light, and I'm just gonna use it only where I applied my concealer, and for the rest of the face I'm gonna use my Cover FX setting powder. So this is Cover FX setting powder. It looks like this. And I'm gonna take a Morphe elephant brush. Elephant is not a name. I'm not sure what is the name, but it's just a big brush. So I'm gonna use this over the rest of my face. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is my second pencil which broke. So yeah, ABH Cosmetics should really work on their plastic products because it's really cheap quality. But the product is good, so I don't mind them. But the packaging is very cheap. Now I'm gonna use this tinted brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is like a dark brown color gel which will help your eyebrows to set up at the place. So you're just gonna give a light stroke. So eyebrows are done. I'm gonna start with the eye makeup, and as I told you earlier, I'm gonna make reel is about pulling out the loud color or neon color type lipstick. So I'm gonna make my eyes very light. It's like a light brown with little bit of smoke going on, but it will be very light and effortless. So as you know, I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill eye palette, which looks like this, and I'm gonna use the shade this one to give a light coverage, and then I'm gonna smoke it out using this color right here. So it's gonna be very simple look, and you can use any eyeshadow you have. Any light color eyeshadow will work. When the Sephora haul was going on, I found this another eyeshadow kit, which is this Tartelette Toasted palette. I really fell in love with this. I mean, look at this. This is so good. I told earlier, I'm gonna go to Florida in few weeks. So I needed some eyeshadow palette which is sturdy, which will not break on me, and using which I can make like at least 3 to 4 different looks. Very simple light brown look, and I'm gonna go with eyeliner. This is, as you all know, Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner. And for mascara, I'm gonna use this Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I also want to tell you about this cool app called eBets. eBets gives you very nice cash back, and I use it every time I purchase something from Sephora or Ulta or many stores online, and it gives like a 4% or 3% cash back every time, and I guess you receive 4 times in a year cashbacks from eBets in the form of check. Nice powder bronzer from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna take a pointy brush like this, and I'm gonna get some cheeks here. This is Bronze Goddess from Estee Lauder. I got so many compliments since I started using this bronzer. It has little shimmer in it. I'm gonna use a little bit here. So for my blush, I'm gonna use this blush kit from ABH Cosmetic, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna go with this shade here, which is very light. It does have some shimmer in it, but it doesn't show up that much. So I'm gonna go with this light pink shade. So if you see like the shimmer, you can't really see the shimmer. Today I'm gonna use this ABH Cosmetics Amrezy highlighter, which looks like this. It's really good color. I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys if you see. Yeah, so good. And the quantity is really good. I mean, I think I'm gonna use it for lifelong. So a little bit highlighter on my forehead. Cupid's bow, cheeks. Step is setting your makeup, so I'm gonna use this Urban Decay's all-nighter setting spray. I didn't found any replacement for this thing. This is really final step is applying this neon pink color lipstick, and this lipstick is from Nyx. It is Powder Puff Lippie, and if you're following on my Instagram, I did tell that these lipsticks are not so long lasting. You have to reapply every 3 hours or 4 hours, but the color payoff is really good. So my hair are very messy, so I'm just gonna do my hair and be right back. Hey guys, so I totally forgot to do end part of my video and I was like, what?